In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error 503 error in Notion in 2026, step by step. If you've ever tried opening Notion and suddenly seeing a 503 error, or Notion just refuses to load properly, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. This error usually means that Notion is temporarily unavailable or overloaded, but there are a few simple things you can try before panicking. I'll walk you through each fix in order, so make sure you follow along. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is clear out any extra Notion tabs you might have open. A lot of people don't realize this, but having multiple Notion tabs open at the same time can sometimes overload your browser session or cause syncing issues, which can trigger a 503 error. Go through your browser and close every Notion tab except one. If you have Notion open in different windows or even different browsers, close those as well. Once you're down to a single tab, give Notion a few seconds to stabilize and see if the page starts loading again. In many cases, this alone can immediately fix the issue. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to refresh Notion and try logging out and logging back in. Start by doing a hard refresh on the page. On Windows, you can press Ctrl and F5, and on Mac, you can press Command, Shift, and R. This forces the browser to reload everything from scratch instead of using cached data. If that doesn't work, log out of your Notion account completely. Once you're logged out, close the browser tab, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then open Notion again and log back in. This helps reset your session and can clear up temporary authentication or server connection issues that cause the 503 error. Now, if Notion is still not working after that, the third and very important step is to check Notion's official status page. Open a new tab and go to notion-status.com. This page shows you whether Notion is currently experiencing outages, server downtime, or degraded performance. If you see an ongoing incident or partial outage listed, then the issue is on Notion's side and not something you can fix locally. In this case, the best thing to do is simply wait until Notion resolves the problem. These outages are usually temporary, and the service often comes back online within minutes or hours. If the status page shows everything is operational, but you're still getting the 503 error, you can also try switching browsers or disabling browser extensions temporarily. Sometimes ad blockers, VPNs, or privacy extensions can interfere with Notion's connection to its servers. Opening Notion in an incognito window or a different browser is a quick way to test this. If it works there, you'll know the issue is related to your browser setup. Once Notion starts loading again, make sure to reopen your pages slowly and avoid opening too many workspaces or tabs at once. This helps prevent the error from coming back, especially if you're working with large databases or heavy pages. And that's it. Those are the easiest and most effective ways to fix the error 503 error in Notion in 2026. Most of the time, clearing extra tabs, refreshing, logging out and back in, or checking the Notion status page will solve the problem. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, fixes, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.